Replace a headlight on a 2004 Chevy Trailblazer. Chevy Trailblazers are one of the most popular off-road vehicles in production. Having properly working headlights, especially those that need high-intensity ones such as halogen bulbs for forest driving, is a necessity while you are out on the road. For those who have a 2004 model of the Chevy Trailblazer, replacing the headlights on your own can be a bit challenging. But with the help of the steps listed below, you should be able to do this on your own with just the help of the replacement bulbs and some screwdriver with a wide slot. Read on and see if you are up to the challenge. Turning off the power source. As with any task that removes replacing of electrical parts, you must first ensure that the ignition is turned off. Headlight switches must also be turned off and the brakes of the car should be securely locked. Popping out the hood and removing the grille. The next step would be for you to pop up the hood so that you can take a look and replace the headlamps. After doing so, you can take out the grille by pushing down firmly on the clips on top of this section of the vehicle. With the help of your screwdriver, you can loosen the clips off for easier removal. You can now gently lift up the grille, which would reveal the headlamp assembly. Taking out the tabs. You should now be able to see a single one tab on either the left or the right side. Hold on to these tabs and then firmly tug on these upwards and towards you. This movement should release your headlight assembly. Now you can pull the assembly towards you. Replacing the bulb. Now that you have taken out the actual headlight assembly, remove the rubber caps, one for the low beam and the other one for the high beam. Remove the harness made of wire from the base of the bulb and gently turn it clockwise. Remember that the base that is colored white is for the low beam while the black colored one is for the high beam. Remove the bulbs from the low and high beam and then screw in the replacement pieces. Putting it all back together. Now that you have the new bulbs in place, put back the tabs and the grille as how it was before you took them out. Be sure that you screw everything else securely to avoid future road mishaps. Turn on the ignition and make sure that you have correctly installed the replacement bulbs by checking the various intensities of the light and checking for other inconsistencies. Now you can go out and have fun again with your Trailblazer, now that your headlamps are fully functioning. Always be on the lookout for small items that need maintenance and replacement in your car since you do not want to have additional risks when driving out. Have a few replacement lamps in stock in your garage so that you are always ready to screw in a replacement piece when necessary.